Now we're going to talk about the Jain temples or the Derasars. Okay, Jain temples are found at various places in India. Vaibhar at Rajagruha, Vipulchal, Ratnagiri, Udagiri and Shramgiri are the 5 main Jain temples. There is Sikandar Siddhkeshwar pilgrim in Samet Shikharji and it is known as Madhuvan. So what is pilgrim? Pilgrim is a place which is a holy place. Like for Hindus we have Badrinath, Kedarnath. Okay, for Muslims they have Makkah, Medina. So for Jains, okay, आज ये holy जगह है, it is called as Siddhkeshwar pilgrim, which is located in Samet Shikharji. Okay, and આ જગ્યાને મધુવન भी કહેવામાં આવે છે. So this is their holy place. Why is it their holy place? Because Adinath Bhagwan and other 20 Tirthankars attained Nirvana. Okay, that is કે એ લોકોના જે સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ગુરુ હતા. ઓકે, સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ગુરુ એટલે જેમ આપણે લોકો આપણા જે રિલિજિયસ ગુરુ હોય એને આપણે સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ગુરુ કહીએ, રાઈટ? For example, you have Sadguru, you have Osho, okay? Muslimsમાં also you have your spiritual guru જે તમને knowledge આપે, જ્ઞાન આપે, okay? So that spiritual guru હતા whose name was Adinath Bhagwan અને બીજા 20 spiritual gurus એ લોકોને અહીંયા મોક્ષ પ્રાપ્ત થઈ ગયો હતો. મોક્ષ એટલે finally your soul is connected to God, okay? So they obtained moksha over here and that is why this place is a holy place for many Jains. There are temples of Abhinav Nathji and Peshwa Nathji. Okay, so there are also temples which are in the name of other spiritual gurus. For example, Abhinav Nathji and Parshva Nathji upar bhi there are many temples that are there. Bhagwan Mahavir reached here and many sages attained moksha. Again they have said the same thing. એ લોકોના જે main spiritual guru કોણ હતા? મહાવીર. ઓકે, તો મહાવીર ભગવાન અને બીજા બધા એ લોકોના જે સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ગુરુ હતા એ બધાને અહીંયા મોક્ષ મળ્યો તો ક્યાં? મધુવનમાં. And that is why it is a very holy place for the Jains. There are Jain temples at Palitana, Shankeshwar temple at Panchsara in Gujarat. Jain temples at Delwada, Mount Abu and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are very beautiful and their construction, carving, artistic skills, sculpture point of view. Okay, so જે દેલવાડા temple છે રાજસ્થાનમાં, રનકપુરમાં there is another Jain temple. It is built very beautifully. Okay, architecture is also very beautiful. Carvings એટલે કોતરણી કામ, that is also very beautiful and when you look at them you feel like this is so beautiful. Okay, and it's excellent work they have done for the temple. Especially Delwada temple of Abu, which have been constructed by Minister Vimal Shah, R. Vimal Vanshi and other ministers of Minister Vastupal constructed Luna Vanshi are the excellent example of sculptures. So the Delwada temple che, which is in Mount Abu. Okay, I am sure lot of you all might have visited Mount Abu and lot of you all might have seen this Delwada temple. So even if you go to Abu, you have to visit this temple. It's very beautiful. It's just simply made from white marble. ખાલી white marble થી જ તે આખું temple બનાવેલું છે. But it is so nice, but they don't allow you to take photographs. Yeah. So જે Mount Abu નું temple છે, it was constructed by a person called as Vimal Shah, જે minister હતો Abu નો. Okay. Vimal Vanshi. Okay, so Vimal Shah and Vimal Vanshi બે ministers હતા, એ બે બનાવીને આ temple બનાવ્યું છે. And the other minister Vastupul constructed Luna Vanshi are the excellent example of sculpture. So there is another sculpture. Okay, sculpture એટલે મૂર્તિ કે stone ના ઉપર કંઈક લખેલું, એ બધું જે કામ છે it is done by Luna Vanshi. These are constructed with white marbles. I told you, okay, the whole temple is constructed with the white marbles. They are famous in India as well as abroad because of their attractive, minute artistic work of sculpture. Why is it famous all around the world? Because જે કોતરણી કામ છે, નાની મૂર્તિ ઉપર કેવી રીતના ડિટેલિંગ કરીને કોતરણી કામ કરેલું છે, it's very beautiful, it's very excellent and that is why it is very famous. These temples are wonderful and memorable gifts of the Jain religion to Indian culture. Jain temples are famous due to their art of sculpture and architecture. Because of architecture, because of sculpture, it's very beautiful. Even today, if you go to Hastagiri, just look at the temple at Hastagiri. You will be shocked to see it is made so beautifully. So Jain temples are a gift to Indian culture because they are built very beautiful.